So I'm kind of a novice flashlight owner, so I just want to give you my thoughts of the first unboxing, kind of go over some of the flashlight details, and give you my first thoughts. So this is just the box. Again, this is a rechargeable flashlight. It has 2000 lumens. It does have some information on the back side that gives you some of the details of the actual flashlight itself. Looks like the case opens from here, so I'm just gonna unbox that real quickly. Let's see. So there's the flashlight itself. Looks like it comes in a little stand holder right here. It does say hashtag Streamlight Strong, some more of the box itself. So take a look at the flashlight itself. Unbox this real quickly. So pretty heavy duty. Seems pretty heavy. Like the way it holds so far. There's a light where you can turn it on here at the top here, and then at the end of the flashlight itself. Looks like it comes in 3 modes, so I got low, medium, and high. Just try those out on my hand real quickly. If you can see here, that's low, that's medium, and then high. I do feel some heat coming off of this. I know it's an LED light. It does say hot at the top here, but overall, really nice flashlight. It feels like high quality. It's probably aluminum. Again, it gives you kind of the details here. If you can see if I can focus in on that. It says Streamlight Stinger 2020. Just give me some information on it. So very nice. Let's take a little bit more look in the box here. So it looks like the box unfolds. And there's the accessories. So looks like it comes with a charger itself, some bolts, some Streamlight accessories. Looks like you get a sticker here, Streamlight sticker. The all-important instructions. So this will kind of give you a way better detail of all that this flashlight is. So I took a moment to take a look at the end of this to figure out how to get the battery undone. So there's a little latch right here. You just pull open, it pops it right out. So here's the battery itself. There's 2 of them. They're micro USB rechargeable batteries. They are from Streamlight. So just simply go back in there. You'll hear that click. It's back in. So again, here's the flashlight itself. Along with this, it does come, again, like I showed before, 2 chargeable options. So there is a carport version and one that you can plug into any old wall socket. And it does come with this little portable mound. So it just simply clicks in here as such. You'll have a little light on where it says it can be charged. Here's the bottom, the 2 options for the 2 chargeable ports itself. And everything that goes with it. It does come with a nice little, looks like a little rope that you could put on somehow onto the flashlight as well. And I'll probably look a little bit more into the instructions and kind of all that, the promotional guides. I did figure out also that these 2 bolts are for the actual charging ports themselves, if you can see that. So if you want to stick it in a wall or wherever you want to mount it. So again, this is the Streamlight Stinger 2020. It's a rechargeable 2000 lumens flashlight. I'm really impressed by the quality of it. Just everything is very straightforward, very standardized, very heavy duty. don't feel like this would break at any point. So I'm really excited to try it out and use it in different places and see how it goes. So hope you enjoyed the review. Thanks.